Why does TikTok keep crashing? Now, if you keep trying to open up the TikTok app, either on your iPhone or Android, and it keeps crashing, I'm going to walk you through steps on getting that fixed. Now, say you open up the TikTok app here, you're browsing through different videos, you're posting a video, and it just crashes, it closes out. There are a few different reasons why that might be, and we're going to walk through those different reasons and check them. The first thing to do is hop into a web browser, and we're just going to type in is TikTok, if I could type TikTok down, and search for is TikTok down, go to down detector here. Basically, a lot of times these apps will crash like TikTok if the servers are down or there's a bug in these servers themselves. So if you see a big spike in reported outages, a bunch of people are having this issue, you usually just have to wait a few hours until TikTok gets everything fixed and their servers back up and running. Now, if you don't see necessarily any issues with that, the next step is to check on your phone itself if you have a faulty or buggy version of the TikTok app. So let's go into your settings here. And once you're into settings, we will tap on general and then iPhone storage. Now this is for the iPhone. If you're on Android, just go into your settings, clear the cache, delete TikTok, and then reinstall it. But what we'll do is go to TikTok here and we'll just offload the app and reinstall it. This force updates it to the latest version of TikTok and helps us get all of those bugs taken care of that might be causing it to be, opening and then crashing, opening and then crashing in an endless loop. So after you go through both of those steps, you should be able to just tap on it. You should be able to watch any kind of videos, scroll through any kind of videos as you normally would, and everything should be working fine. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.